What's going on, folks? Bayboy Bassin here. We're going to be doing a review on all-terrain jigs. Before I get into this review, I want to give a special shout out to Bo Adams Fishing. I went to him, I was like, man, I don't throw jigs. I'm not comfortable throwing jigs. What's a good jig that I should throw? Basically, he told me this is a great company and they work great, and I was like, all right, I'll give it a shot. So I bought some jigs myself, and yeah, I love them to death. They've caught me some bass. I never felt so comfortable throwing jigs in my life, so this really boosted my confidence a lot. Huge shout out to him. Make sure you guys go follow him on Instagram. I make sure you guys see it right here or link it in the description. So let's get into this review real quick. We have the jig right here. Hopefully you guys can hear me. But this is the Finesse Jig. One thing that I love about this Finesse Jig, it's really small, and it's compact. And one thing that stood out to me throwing this bait, so they call this black piece right here trailer lock. It's like a trailer lock. They keep your trailer on the jig. I caught a lot of bass off of it, and my bait, like sometimes you get your bait starts ripping off, but it really keeps your trailer there, and it does not, like your trailer just stays there. It doesn't get worn or anything like that. The paint, it takes a lot. You have to fish this thing a lot. The paint does not chip at all. It's just a great jig. I love this jig a lot. One thing that really stuck out to me was the brush guard. It's very small. It's very compact. They got a small profile. Usually they're just too much sometimes. But here, it's just perfect. This is a brand new jig. Usually they're long, they stick out to like right here past the hook. But usually you want your brush guard to be right by that treble. You don't want it sticking out, because you don't want it to get in the bass, the fish's mouth and be in the way of you setting the hook. I'll roll a clip and I'll show you guys basically one of my catches I have on there. And you can tell that the bass, he really wanted that jig. He really was trying to eat the jig. I caught this bass, and he basically did not let go until I got him out of the water, and I had to grab him. You guys can see that. But this bait's great. I caught a lot of bass out of it. I was, throwing a Texas rig, a neg rig, I was throwing everything out there. I wasn't getting any bites. I threw this jig out there, and it got me some good bites, guys. So basically, these jigs are they're powdered painted. So what that means that they're gonna last longer. The color on them are gonna last longer. They're not gonna chip like your original jigs do. This hook right here, just because it's a Finesse jig, it has a lighter hook on it, but it's still a very strong hook. You can still set the hook real hard. Don't have to worry about breaking the hook or anything like that when you get it hung up. Let's be honest, guys. No jig will not get hung up, right? So once you get this thing hung up, you cannot bend this hook. This hook is on there for good. I'm gonna give you guys a reminder that I am not sponsored by this jig company. I just like them a lot. These guys are mean. You see those birds? They got their babies now. They're really mean, but scratch that. So I want to let you guys know that I am not doing this, not a promotion video or anything like that. I'm just showing you guys that I really like these jigs. Yeah, I don't know if this was a quick review or not, but hopefully you guys like this review. I like doing reviews, but you know, we're in Oklahoma and the wind doesn't work that well out here, so you gotta video whenever you can. So I try to get my review videos out there. Let's roll into these clips. Let's get into these videos, catching bass, and yeah, can't wait to show you guys. Let's see what we got here. Let's get out there. More cats over there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ooh. Oh, that's big. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's what we fish for. Oh my gosh. She ate it. She's beautiful. Beautiful bass. Freaking beautiful bass, guys. Oh, that's her, guys. That's what you fish for. Finally got on a bass, a good bass, after fishing all day today. All day today. Fishing all day today, guys. That's what you live for right there. That's what you live for, guys. This is it. Let's throw her back. Let's throw her back. Wow. She's gone. Alright, guys. We're at Skytook Lake. We're gonna try to do a little bit of fishing. I got this cove right here I'm about to fish. See if I can pick anything up. The water is a little high, but the fish, they should be up shallow. So it's gonna be a good time. Water's a little high right here. High. Good thing we got our water boots though, so no big deal. Let's start off with a moving bait real quick. It's a little flooded. Oh, we already have a fish. Already have a fish, guys. It's a spotted bass. It was weird. It was really weird. Alright, guys, first fish of today, Skytook Lake. Caught us a spotted bass. Let's throw this guy back in the water real quick where he belongs. That was crazy. Here he goes. Oh, that's really cool. Spinnerbait, guys. First cast with the spinnerbait. Got one. Oh. There's a spot right there. This guy is gray. He's really gray. Oh, look at his fin. He got like a weird shape, like 3 tails. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool, guys. 2 bass. Only been here for 14 minutes. That's not bad at all. Hopefully we catch some more. Let's get some smallmouth going. We're not gonna do a whole lot of talking, so let's get right into it. Today I have a chatterbait, and then I have a red lipless crank. Got one. Oh, it's a big old carp. Guys, what did I do? It's a freaking carp. Oh, this guy's big, guys. Wow. Guys, this guy is freaking huge. I thought I had a carp or something on it last time. This guy's huge, guys. If I land this fish, oh my gosh. That would be so cool. You know how cool that would be? He freaking jumped out of the... I wonder if he tried to eat it. I wonder. He's about to freaking come up real quick. Guys, I'm telling you guys, this is at least a freaking... Oh, look at him go. He's pulling drag, folks. He's pulling drag. Drag, guys. Wow. Never in a million years I thought I'd catch something like this off of a freaking crankbait. Oh, it's a catfish. It's a freaking big catfish, guys. This guy's a freaking monster. Get over here, man. I thought it was a freaking big old carp the way he jumped out of the water like that. Oh, it's about to come off. Let's show everybody to you. Come on, get up here. Get up here, guy. Ah, this guy's huge. This guy is freaking huge, guys. Oh my gosh. This guy's huge, man. Oh my god, it's so big. Alright, let's grab this guy. I'm not grabbing him right, because I'm gonna get stabbed. Calm down. Hey, you been on my hooks, brother. We're gonna have freaking problems. Alright. He's on the bank. He's on the bank. Let's get him up here so you guys can see this big old catfish, guys. This guy's a monster. He's tired. He is freaking tired. That's how you guys want to grab them. Grab them before... Oh, this guy's... He's ready to go. You usually want to grab them behind their fins, because they have pointy fins up there. Alright, I'll see you later, man. Bye. Bye, Felicia. Get on the road, man. Get on the road. Get out of here. Don't come back. Do not come back. That's pretty fun.